Hello friends, welcome back my channel Crazy Art. I am Usha Patil. Today we are creating project file making and decoration. This is a chart paper, thick chart paper and tinted paper. Its size is 54 cm by 32 cm. Okay, next we divided 54 cm side in 25 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 55 cm. Here I am taking measurement both side of 25 and middle 2 cm and 2 cm. This is a scoring tool. We are score the line. First take a measurement 25 cm and score the line. This is another side 25 cm score the line. We are scoring because easily fold the paper, so we are scoring. Fold it both sides of paper. Next important part, score line 2 cm and fold it. Okay, fold it. This fold is inner side. It is the most important. This is a file clip. It is useful for filing the paper. It is available in a local shop. You can easily get it. And first we are take a middle of paper and punch it. After punching, you can easily insert clip in this hole. Okay, our file is ready. We are creating scenery, so we use shading paper light green and dark green. First we draw grass and then cut it properly. Next is cloud. First you draw cloud and then cut it properly. We are creating cloud in three size: small, big and medium. You can cut this type of small grass strip. After cutting grass, you can stick one by one. First you stick dark, then light, then small grass, then grass strip. Already I make this video how to make flower. Please check out I button. It is upper side video and you can get link in description box. Stick flower one by one. Hello friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Paper sun, cute paper sun. I already make this video. Please check out description box and I button. I make this video separately because this video is too much longer, so I cut it and separate video. Here I use foam tape because cloud is look like 3D. Next part of border, you use a black pen. You can border all scenery like cloud, sun, grass. Here you can use black tape for file border. It is a very beautiful, attractive after that black tape border. Okay, our file is ready. Beautiful scenery. Friends, I hope you like my videos and ideas. Please support my channel, share, like, and most important, subscribe. When you subscribe my channel, then you get new videos. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.